Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is prime. Then I go in with the Flawless Filter. Then you just blend, don't forget the neck. I don't really know the correct order for this, but then I color correct here with like a light peachy shade. I was using a darker one before, but I felt like it was making my concealer look too orange, so I switched to this one. Just blend it out with my finger. Now I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one has been my favorite recently because it covers my darkness, but it's not that thick. I use this Natasha Denona liquid blush, and I'm very careful when I apply because it's super pigmented. And then I just blend it out like this. Now I'm going to use this Jouer bronzer stick in the shade Sunrise. This is nice because it's not too far off from my skin tone, and it's just really easy to blend. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury highlighter in Spotlight. I just put this here on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on the tip. Now I'm going in with this Soleil 2 bronzer from Laura Mercier. It's very pigmented, so I'm kind of gentle when I tap into the product. Kylie blush in Close to Perfect. Mixing these two brown shades in this Jouer palette for my crease. Using this Mario pencil for a little bit of a messy wing, and then you smudge it out. Using this mascara. Okay, I'm gonna stick some lashes on, but first I'm gonna do my brows with this Brow Freeze by Anastasia Beverly Hills. While I wait for my lash glue to dry, I'm gonna do my lips. Okay, the lighting there was killing me. So for lips, I use this Charlotte Tilbury lip stain, She's Proud Patrick Ta lip liner, and I topped it off with a 24K Kylie lip oil.